Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Andrew Akpose. In this video I want to show you how to design a simple book cover. Now this is a book cover I designed and I want to show you how to design it and also how to mock it up using the Photopea app. Now let's go to a fresh page. You go to the plus icon. I want to input my text, then go to text, add a heading. Okay, edit the secrets. I want this will be with a different font style. I want to mix the font style. Then let me duplicate. The secrets of duplicate vengeance. And I will make the and a different font. Vengeance, duplicate, and forgiveness. Let me change it to all caps. Now let me change this style to the font style to Amsterdam 2 Amsterdam 2. I will change the size to 64 will be okay. All right, then the vengeance, I want the vengeance, the color to be kind of red because it relates to, it communicates well what I want to do, what I'm trying to communicate. Vengeance. So I will change this font. I want to use alert. Okay, and change the size to 90. Then this, I want to leave this as a neutral color, black. So but I'll change the style to alert C also too. Then let me see if I can change the size to 116. All right, I think we are good to go this way. The vengeance of forgiveness, the secrets, the secrets of vengeance, and the hand will be a separate. I'll place it on a shape. Let me edit this to and. So this should be at this place. All right, go to the plus icon. I want to search for, go to element and blot. Okay, BLOT, blot is the type of element I want to include. I want to place my and on. Let me use this. I'll change the color to red. Okay, let me reduce the size a bit. The and, I'll change the and to white color, white font. I'll reduce the size a bit. Okay, I think this is okay. Let me zoom in and group it together with that element. Group. All right. Let me group everything together with variance. Group. Okay, so let's include our image. But before that, if you see what I did here, I kind of included element in the background so that it will not seem like the whole page is just plain white. So let me come to the plus icon. Under blot also too, I used a similar element. Let's use a similar element. Let me try this. Okay, come to filter. I want it black, straight. It's not as dark as I would want it to be, or we can still manage this. All right, so let me make sure my texts are exactly at the center of the page. Come to position, center, then forgiveness also too is at the center already. The secrets of position, center, let me group them all together. Hold down the forgiveness, select multiple, then group. Okay, so let me add my image. Come to the plus icon and go to upload. I have the image of a sad fellow, so it's kind of related to the theme of my design, the secrets of vengeance. So the fellow looks kind of sad and kind of confused. Let's say, for example, the fellow, if someone hurts you, you are kind of torn between having a revenge and also forgiving the person. So it makes you sad. That is why I'm using this image here. So you should use image that kind of communicate the theme of that kind of communicate the message you are trying to pass across. So this is a self-help book for those who are faced between retaliating and forgiving whoever hurts them. So that's why I'm using this image. It's kind of related to what the book is all about. So I'll make sure the image is at the center. Then I want to change the image filter to black. I want it black. Okay, this is all right. Now the next thing I want to do, the name of the author. Come to plus icon, go to elements, and under shapes and line I will add a rectangle shape. Then change the color to black. Then I want to add the name of the author. Come to text, add a subheading, edit, Robert Coleman, the pen name of the author. Then format, bold, all caps. I'll change the font size to, I want it a bit smaller. Let me use 45. Then the font style to alert seal. Okay, I'll place it on the shape. I want it white. Center alignment. Come to position. Okay, so already at the center. Let me reduce the shape a bit, and we have our front page. So we are going to design the back cover as simple. We are going to make it simple as possible. So this is just a basic way of designing a book cover. The front cover, this is the front cover. So we are going to see how I design the back cover. Now this is the back cover. I want to show you how I designed. The author did not deem it fit to include this image. So what you have here is just about the book and the works of the author. So we want to go to a fresh page, come to the plus icon, go to elements, add a shape where you have that about the author. Let me turn on my margins, my page margins, to guide me in designing. Okay, come to the plus icon, then you have text, add the subheading, edit, about the author. So it depends, you can choose any format you want to choose. You can pick inspiration from other designs and come up with your own how you want the back cover to look like. Just make sure you obey design principles. There is no one way of doing a front cover or a back cover. All caps. Okay, I'll change the let me change the size a bit. Come to font size, let me make this 45 so that it won't be too big. Then I'll change this to red. About the author will be white. Then duplicate. So I want to include something that looks like a short summary of what the book is about. I have it saved already. Yes, I'll just come here to copy. Have you been hurt by someone? Okay, copy, edit, select or paste. I'll change the font to Montserrat. Okay, bold. Let me change the size to 30. Let me use 30. All right, I think this is okay. All right, so the next thing we want to include is the rest of the text. I have it copied here already. I just come here, then select copy, select, duplicate, change the font to black, then edit, select or paste, come to format, align to the let me use justification. The alignment, I want to justify the alignment, so I've chosen that, bold. Then let me drag, let me reduce the size a bit to 24. Let me create some paragraph for easy reading. Okay, I think this is okay this way. So that is our book cover. That is our back cover for the book where we have done. The next thing we want to do now is to design the spine. I have it, this is the spine. So before I started designing, I ensured that I knew the page dimension. So I've set the page dimension, and this is the spine that I have designed. Just the title of the book and the name of the author. So this is the spine I have designed for the book cover I just showed you just now. So the next thing is to download my designs and mock it up using Photopea, the Photopea app. This is photopea.com. I'm using Google Chrome to access the app. So I'll go to open from computer, go to files, then I have my mockup, my PSD file named already. I think I use 3 views, so it's easy for me to locate in my gallery. 3 views. Okay, I'll select the PSD document and wait for it to load. It's still loading. Now it has fully loaded. Go to layers, then you have the front design, the front cover, the spine, and the and my other back cover. So I'll select the first one, double click to open. When it's open, you can hide you can click the eye icon to hide the design, or you can leave it. So go to file, go to open and place, go to files also too, then search for your front cover that you have downloaded on your gallery. So I have them named, so it's easy for me to locate. So this is the front cover of the design I showed you. You can see exactly it has been placed on the mock-up perfectly, so I don't need to adjust anything because I used the exact page dimension before I started designing. So after doing that, go to files and click on save smart objects. Smart object updated. So go to the first slide, that is the original mockup file. Go there, click it. This is what I clicked. So I've returned to the first page. You can see our front cover has been placed. So I'll go to the layers also again, then go to spine, double click. So I can either hide this or leave it like that. So I'll click on layers also again. Let me just hide it. So click on layers again, then file, select file, open and place. Go to files, and where you have your spine, select spine. You can see it has placed it exactly. You don't need to adjust anything if you use the exact page dimension. Go to files also, then save smart objects. Go back to the original design. You can see it has placed our spine. So go to layers also again, do the same, double click, hide or leave it that way. Click on layers also, then go to files, click on files, open and place. The back cover, you can see it has placed it on. It has placed our design. Go to files, then click on save smart object. Alright, let me go back to our original design. You can see it has we finished mocking up our design. We want to save now. Go to files, click on export as PNG or JPEG, any format you wish. PNG, I want to save as PNG, export as PNG. So wait for it. This is then click on save. Our design is saving. Let me open to view. Now this is our book cover that has been mocked up, finished. So I can decide to hide the background and remove the background and just leave only the mock-up alone if I want to change the background on Canva or on any other platform. So that is how to design a book cover and also mock it up using your Photopea app. Thank you.